you have got no audio problem in OBS Studio, here's how you can fix it. First, once you open your OBS Studio, go to the audio mixer section. Here, make sure that all of these sliders are turned up for mic, for screen capture, for audio capture, etc. Now, go to settings, then go to audio. Here, under global audio devices, you will find various options like desktop audio, mic audio. Here, make sure that you have chosen default or any other mic option that you have and press OK. One more thing that you can do is to open settings. Then scroll down the menu until you see privacy and security. Scroll down some more until you find screen and system audio recording. Click on it. Here you will see OBS Studio. Make sure that you have turned on the slider. It gives permission for it to record your screen and your audio. Then click on quit and reopen. And that's it. Your no audio problem will be solved now. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.